Hey guys, let's take a look at the biggest currency pairs in the world, see what's happening. So you're looking here at the euro versus the USD, and heading into the weekend, I thought, being bearish from up here would make a lot of sense because we're still dealing with a strong downtrend. But looking across all the different pairs, it's becoming quite clear to me that we're actually going to be range trading in a couple of these pairs. Now, if you look at Euro USD specifically, it looks to me that we're stuck in a descending triangle. So whenever we break below 103.51, it could be a really good opportunity to short sell and target the downside. But right now we're stuck within that pattern, and to trade this pattern successfully, we only want to be operating close to the resistance level, which is right now around 107.35. Alternatively, buying really close to the support level down here and not really trading it in the middle, as you can see here. GBP versus USD is a bit different. Here I'm comfortably bearish between 123.52 all the way up to 126. The dollar yen, it continues to be in an uptrend. So here as well, I see nothing wrong buying dips in this between 133.08 and 131.22. As for the Aussie dollar, it's a bit like the Euro USD. It's sort of stuck within a range. We're looking at potentially an ascending triangle with the break here lifting the price substantially higher. This will be the trend line side of the pattern. The situation is very similar here in the New Zealand dollar versus the USD. I want to finish off by looking at the dollar versus the Swiss franc. Here we're dealing with a long-term uptrend and the price has bounced nicely from support here. The reason for this very sharp drop is because the Swiss central bank increased interest rates by 50 basis points last week, and that just caused the market to tumble. Now, this is interesting from a technical perspective because it would be fair to say that we can at least go maybe up to 98 to sort of cover half of last week's losses. So this could also be something to keep an eye on. So overall, the way the market looks like right now, I do believe we're going to have more dollar strength. But if anything, if you look at Euro USD, Aussie dollar and New Zealand dollar, it looks like we're going to range trade for at least maybe 3-4 weeks until we start to see some strong trends again.